Today we're gonna make tempeh tacos. Start by slicing your onions and your garlic. Once you've diced all your onions, now you can do your garlic. So get that all chopped up, and we're gonna go ahead and put that on the stove where we have our stove already heated and ready to start our cooking. Now you're gonna steam your tempeh for 5 minutes. You do that because there's a bitter taste with tempeh. It's essentially fermented soybeans. There's so many benefits to tempeh. First off, high in protein, high in dietary fiber. It's gonna lower inflammation as well as blood pressure. It's going to improve cholesterol as well as insulin resistance. It is so good for your gut health. I incorporate it as much as I can. While the onions and garlic are cooking, now it's time to do the tempeh. So take a look at the tempeh. I've gotten this one ready to go, but just so that you can see, this is totally normal. This is good. This is the fermentation process happening and helping your gut bacteria. So this is good stuff. So basically, my favorite way of making this is actually to shred it, just like I would with cheese. So I'm gonna show you how exactly I do this. So like this, get it in your bowl, and then when you're all done with that, you add in your spices. So here I'm gonna just add in my last couple of spices. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of what I use for salt, which is Bragg's amino acids. Very good for you. And I use this as a substitute for salt. Drop that in there. And I actually already pre-poured the rest of my seasonings. I'm just gonna dump that in there. And then we're gonna mix it up. So let's take a look. We're gonna do a little mixing. So take a look here. Get it all nice and seasoned. Now chop up some green onions, and you can put that in with your tempeh. So add in the green onions in here, and then you'll go ahead and just drop that in your pot and get cooking. Looks delicious. And so you want to get some water in there as well so that you can make sure that it's soaking up all those flavors of the spices and get it cooking. So let's check it out. You're gonna love this.